Hello madlang people, mabubuhay. So yun na nga, it's September 27 and a few days from now, October na. Then 3 months na lang, 2024 na. Now the question is, ano ba ang nagawa mo ng taon na to? What is the, wag nang mag-Ingles, yung sa tingin mong very remarkable for this year, at what are your plans for the next year? Siguro nga maraming gumagawa ng mga New Year's resolution, at most if not all papel lang. That includes me. There are times na gumagawa din ako ng aking New Year's resolution, however never siyang naging katotohanan maliban doon sa ibang